Hi everybody, this is Chris with Best Forex Team and Best Forex Traders, home of the BFT AutoTrader. As you know, we are extremely excited about our AutoTrader. The results over the past 2.5 years now have been absolutely outstanding, and we see a very bright future with this. And so we wanted to make a quick showcase video of 7 reasons why the BFT AutoTrader is our top-rated Forex system of 2020. We've been trading for over 20 years, and this is the culmination of all of our effort and hours spent behind the screens programming strategies and so on. So we're very excited about this. At the end of this video, I'll show you also how to get our $500 profit guarantee so that you can essentially try our AutoTrader with no risk on your side. Let's get into it. Number one, 26 winning months in a row. Actually, that number is more like 28 or 29 winning months in a row now for our AutoTrader. We have verified results and videos that we post on our website every week on our performance page. And since inception, our AutoTrader has posted, again, now 28 or 29 profitable months in a row. A few of the months are over 100% net profit, as you can see with this chart here. This is a $10,000 account. In March this year, we had over $12,000 net profit. We have months with $8,000, $7,000, and so on. Our average month is 34.6% profit, which is, again, very impressive. 76.1% winning trades for our AutoTrader. So our AutoTrader is programmed to only take trades with a 70% or higher probability of winning. So this allows our traders to stay consistently with a proper risk-reward ratio on every single trade. And historically, because we only take trades that are 70% chance or higher of success, we've won 76.1% chance of the total trade. So again, that's a pretty great metric. Number 3, our AutoTrader, of course, is fully automated and 100% hands-free. The only thing you need to do is the initial setup part, and that takes less than 10 minutes. So whether you're setting up a new broker account or using an existing one, that process literally takes less than 10 minutes, and from that point on, it's 100% hands-free. Our AutoTrader does not require any downloads or installations of any kind if you don't want to. You have the opportunity to download MetaTrader 4 on your mobile device or your computer if you want to follow along with the trades and performance. Most of our members do that, but you don't need to download anything specific for our AutoTrader to work. Everything is behind the scenes and will run regardless of any software. So this is a big one. Number 4, money stays in your account at all times. Other AutoTraders require you to send money to them. We do not like this. This is your money. It should be in your account so that you can deposit or withdraw your funds anytime you wish. And that's how we work with our AutoTrader. So the money will stay in your broker account at all times, and you can access and follow along with the progress at all times. Also a huge one. Number 6, regulated brokers you can trust. We only work with regulated brokers, and we require all of our members to work only with regulated brokers with our AutoTrader. So there's a lot of junk out there. There's a lot of scammy, scummy brokers that are not regulated. We stay far away from these guys. We don't play any games with them. We only work with regulated brokers, and we work closely with them. They are required to honor proper price spreads, leverage, and most importantly, allow quick withdrawals for our members. So again, regulated brokers only. And lastly, number 7, we offer a $500 profit guarantee right now. It's a promotion to get you involved with as little or no risk as possible. How this $500 profit guarantee works is pretty simple. If you activate our AutoTrader right now and you generate a $5,000 or a $500 profit, you keep all of the profit. On the other hand, if our AutoTrader performs poorly, and which we do not expect it to, we expect it to perform very well. But if for any reason you lose money, if you lose $100 or you lose any amount up to $500, we will literally pay you and reimburse you for that loss 100% up to $500. So again, if you make $1,000 profit, you keep it. If you lose $500, we pay you for it, so you don't lose any money at all out of your side. This is, again, a way for you to try our AutoTrader 100% risk-free if you want. We take all the risk, and we're quite confident that once you see it in action and see that it's making money for your account, that you'll be very comfortable moving forward. So great opportunity there for you to get involved with no risk. That's essentially it for now. Those are 7 reasons why we think our BFT AutoTrader is maybe a perfect fit for your trading career and wealth building opportunity. If you need any advice or help or have questions or want to get activated, just let us know and we'll be happy to get you going. Thanks so much and have a great day.